Hello, everyone. Welcome to a very special episode of our podcast, Speak English Unleashed. I am Lucas, and I am so happy to be here with you today to help you improve your English listening.
And hello to you too, Lucas. Hi, everyone. I am Abigail. I am very excited because today we have a very practical lesson. We are going to talk about something we all have, a daily routine.
That's right, Abigail. We are going to explore 10 daily routine sentences. These are the most common things people do. And the best part? We are going to talk naturally.
Exactly. But wait, Lucas. Before we start with our first sentence, I have a quick message for our listeners. If you are enjoying this video and you want to learn more English with us, please subscribe to the channel. It's very important for us.
Yes, please. Click the subscribe button and also hit the like button. When you like the video, YouTube shows this lesson to more English students. And we love our community, so leave a comment below. What time do you usually wake up?
I want to see those comments. Okay, Lucas, let's start. I know you are a very organized person. Tell me about your morning.
Well, Abigail, my day always starts the same way. Every single day, I wake up early.
Oh, I know you do, Lucas. You are an early bird. When you say I wake up early, what time is it? Is it 5 a.m.?
Usually it is 6 a.m. For me, 6 a.m. is the perfect time. The world is quiet and the air is fresh. When I wake up early, I feel that I have more energy for my work. Do you think it is easy to wake up early?
No, not for me. I am the opposite of you. I am a night owl. For me, it is very difficult to wake up early. I prefer to sleep until 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. But I know you have a little friend that helps you, right?
Yes, my alarm clock. It is very loud and it has a very annoying sound. Beep, beep, beep. So the first thing I do is I turn off my alarm.
Do you press the snooze button, Lucas? You know, the button to sleep for 5 more minutes?
Never. I don't like the snooze button. If I use the snooze, I feel more tired later, so I just reach for my phone and I turn off my alarm immediately. I hear the noise and I turn off my alarm.
Wow, you are very disciplined. I am different. I hear the alarm, I press snooze. I hear it again, I press snooze again. Finally, after 30 minutes, I turn off my alarm for real. But after the alarm is silent, do you stay in bed?
No, I don't. I don't like to stay in bed thinking. After the alarm is off, I get out of bed.
Is it cold in your room? Because when I get out of bed, I always look for my slippers.
Sometimes it is cold, but I get out of bed and I walk to the window. I like to see the sky. When I get out of bed, my body starts to move. It is the official start of the day. Do you get out of bed fast, Abigail?
No, I move like a turtle. I sit on the bed for 5 minutes. I look at the floor and then slowly I get out of bed. But once I am up, I see a mess. You, Lucas, you have a habit, right?
Yes. I think the house needs to be organized, so the next thing I do is I make the bed.
I knew it. You are so organized. Every day, even on Saturdays?
Yes, Abigail. Every day. When I make the bed, I feel that my bedroom is clean. It's a very simple task. It takes only 1 minute to make the bed. Do you make the bed in the morning?
Honestly, sometimes. If I am in a hurry, I don't make the bed. I just leave it messy. But you are right, it is better to make the bed to start the day well. After the bedroom is perfect, where do you go?
After that, I move to another part of the house. I go to the bathroom.
That is a very common sentence. Lucas, I go to the bathroom and I look at myself in the mirror. I look like a zombie.
My face is usually a bit puffy, so I wash my face.
Do you use cold water, Lucas? To wake up?
Yes, always. Cold water is like magic. When I wash my face with cold water, I feel 100% awake. I use a little bit of soap, I scrub my skin, and then I wash my face again with more water. It is very refreshing.
I prefer warm water. I think warm water is more comfortable for the skin. But after you wash your face, you feel clean, right? And then you have to think about your teeth.
Of course, I take my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and I brush my teeth.
How long do you brush your teeth? 2 minutes?
Yes, at least 2 minutes. It is important for a healthy smile. I brush my teeth in the morning, after lunch, and before I go to sleep. But the morning is the most important time for me. After I brush my teeth, my mouth feels fresh.
I agree. And then after the teeth are clean, is it time for the water again?
Yes, it is. I take a shower.
Is it a long shower or a quick shower?
In the morning, it is a quick shower. I take a shower for about 10 minutes. I plan my work while I take a shower.
That is very smart. For me, when I take a shower, it is the time for singing. I love to sing in the shower. But Lucas, after you leave the shower, you are completely wet. What happens next?
So, the next action is essential for my comfort. I dry my hair.
Do you use a hair dryer or just a towel?
I dry my hair with a big soft towel. Because my hair is short, it takes only 1 minute. I rub the towel on my head and that's it. I dry my hair very quickly. What about you, Abigail?
Oh, Lucas, for me, I dry my hair is like a big project. My hair is very long. I need to use an electric hair dryer. I spend at least 15 minutes saying, "Okay, Abigail, keep going. Dry your hair."
I imagine it is different for you. 15 minutes just to dry your hair? I can drink 3 cups of coffee in that time?
Exactly. I go to my closet and it is time for a big decision. I get dressed.
Is it easy for you to get dressed?
No, for me, I get dressed as a process of trial and error. I put on a blouse, I look in the mirror, I don't like it, I take it off, and I try another one.
I like simple clothes. I look at my t-shirts and I choose a blue one or a black one. So I get dressed in 2 minutes. I put on my t-shirt, I put on my jeans, and I feel ready. When I get dressed, I feel like I am changing my mental chip from sleep mode to work mode.
Wow, 10 sentences already. Let's do a quick review for our friends. Lucas, you say the first 5, and I say the other 5.
Perfect. Friends, pay attention to the sequence. I wake up early. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I make the bed. I go to the bathroom.
And continuing, 6, I wash my face. 7, I brush my teeth. 8, I take a shower. 9, I dry my hair. 10, I get dressed.
What an amazing start to the day. And if you're still here with us, you are a very dedicated English student. Congratulations.
Yes, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel Speak English Unleashed. And please leave a like.
Abigail, now that we are dressed, my stomach is making noise. I am hungry.
Me too, Lucas. I think it is time to go to the kitchen for the next part.
See you soon, everyone.
Goodbye.